This is an American-made Black Hawk helicopter. At the moment, there is only one in service in the entire Ukrainian armed forces, and that's because at the moment, the United States, the State Department, refuses to allow the Ukrainians to buy them. So the pilot and his crew have essentially had to crowdfund to raise $6 million in order to buy it. What the pilot said is that flying the Black Hawk compared to the old Soviet ones is like the difference between trying to drive a truck and driving a Maserati sports car. What they say is that it gives them much more flexibility. They can get many more troops in. It's much easier for the troops to get on and off the helicopter and to fly the combat missions. Helicopters have proved crucial in this battle because it allows the troops to avoid ground forces by Russia to try and take territory and to try and reclaim their land.
Well, that's it for now. Thanks for watching. I upload videos on a daily basis, so please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell so you'll never miss another one. Finally, if you'd like to help me out financially for the work I do, then please consider buying me a coffee. Thank you, and see you on the next one.